Welcome to my first vlog. So today guys, I'm going to be attempting to install a carbon fiber steering wheel from Purebred Performance. Wish me luck! Here I am trying to remove the airbag off the steering wheel so I can get access to the nut that is holding this wheel in place. Before anything else, make sure to disconnect your batteries so your airbag won't blow up in your face. So to remove the airbag, you just need an Allen key to poke the clips behind the steering wheel. With a little bit of messing around, I was able to push the clips and take the airbag out. That was a struggle because I couldn't really see what was happening, so I was just feeling it out. When I heard both of them click, it came loose and it was easy figuring it out from that point on. Then you just have to unclip the wiring from the airbag, and from there grab your 24mm socket to loosen and remove the nut off the steering wheel. Here you go guys, this is the disassembled steering wheel. We made it, we're halfway there I think. So now I am basically transferring all the components from the old one to the new wheel. Everything is pretty straightforward, we just have to remember where things go. From what I remember, there are 9 screws, 3 on either side of the controls and 3 on top that holds the plastic casing and the wiring in place. So here's me doing just that. Feel free to jump ahead to 4:22 mark to skip the time lapse and continue on with the video, where you'll see an issue I came across with the wiring of the new steering wheel. So slight hiccup you guys. I was talking to Purebred Performance and this is like the first issue that they ever had. That like my wiring is different from all the other Mustangs, so this will have to wait until they get back to me. Yeah. So this is the wiring that I was talking about. As you could see right here, there's 2 other wires. It's not focusing. Two other wires beside the purple wire right there. And apparently I need to put this white wire beside that. But right now I can't because there's something beside it. And I don't know what the hell am I doing. I'm just following YouTube videos. Yeah. So we made it guys, thanks to this guy right here, Hans. It was easier than what we thought.
Yeah, we
overcomplicated. So we're just cleaning out the wires, and we'll show you guys how it looks afterwards. Okay, everything's back on. So let's see how this goes. Whew. Now this is on. I'm gonna try to figure out how to change the LED lights to blue. As you can see, my interior lights are blue as well. Blue, blue. Except this stupid light, it's still yellow. We'll change that soon, so ignore that. And I think it's gonna ask for the password. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, here you go. And also the LED color set. Let's do the LED lights first. Change it to blue. I'm trying to figure out. Should it go from white, cyan, then dark blue, or like dark blue, cyan, and white? Thank you guys for watching. That's it for this vlog, and I'm gonna end it with the cinematics because I don't really know how to end this video. Peace.